One of the pleasures you can have in Goa. It's morning 7:30 and I am here at सिरदाव बीच. अभी सिरदाव बीच पे हूँ मैं एंड सुबह के 7:30 बजे है. I've come for a morning walk, थोड़ा विटामिन डी लेने के लिए. And there's literally not much people here. ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है अभी बिकॉज सुबह का टाइम है. खाली टूरिस्ट है. आई गेस दे आर these people are staying here in the hotel. There's the Hyatt hotel. In there they must be staying. Suddenly I can see a trench being built here in between. I don't know whether it is naturally occurred or it has been made for this water to pass. From where this water is coming I don't know. But पहले तो ये नहीं था. By almost like month पहले this was not there. Walking barefoot. One of the pleasures you can have in Goa. Barefoot on sand, having the perfect sun bath in the morning. That is the Grand Hyatt Hotel. It's almost 7:45. It's time to return back. I just saw jellyfish floating in the waters here. So in case you all are coming to have a bath here, beware. Just look around and keep an eye. Soil erosion is one of the problem because of the waves hitting this soil and also because of the rainwater. So these people have instead put this iron this जाली लगा के और पत्थर यहाँ पे डाल के उन्होंने सॉइल इरोजन रोकने का प्रयास किया है. They have taken some efforts to stop soil erosion doing this. Not iron as such, I guess some kind of alloy it is made up of. If it was pure iron then it would have been corroded easily. So because of this, the stones remain at place and soil doesn't get eroded. See, this whole thing is getting eroded. I had kept my chappals at one place. Now I have to see whether they are there or not. Mostly यहाँ पे कोई भी लेके नहीं जाता, but still it's there, it's there. You all are planning to come for a beach walk, especially for the sunbath, then morning time or late evening time is the best. That is morning before 9 a.m. and afterwards in the evening after 5 p.m. is the best timing. Otherwise you will get all tanned. यहाँ पे टैनिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. That is because of the presence of moisture in the air, and on top of that harsh sunlight after 9 p.m. and before 5 sorry after 9 a.m. and before 5 p.m. you have harsh sunlight here, so आपको पूरी टैनिंग हो जाएगी. See, I told you this is jellyfish. ये jellyfish है. There are jellyfish here. Just beware if you all are planning to have bath in this waters.